Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an image or a picture into your Weebly website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an image into your Weebly website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, especially if you're selling products, you definitely want to have high quality images in the page that's describing whatever service or product you're selling. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Weebly site editor. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Weebly website, and this is the home screen. Now, in order to add an image or a photo into one of your website pages, here on the top left, you're going to click on this drop-down menu. Next, you want to go ahead and choose the page that you want to add an image into. So for me, I'll choose my Contact Us page. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see various sections in that page. So you can see this one has a header, main banner, and a footer. So what we're going to do is we're going to click here on Add Section. All right, once you do that, scroll down, and then you want to choose either text and image, or if you're going to be adding a gallery, you can choose this one. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and just add text and image. Okay, next you want to go ahead and choose the layout. So you can see this one's going to be an image with the words on the right. You can change it to the words being on the left with this one. If you're going to have different columns with different images, you can choose this. For the purpose of this video, I kind of like this one right here. So we have some words and then an image. Next, what you're going to do is click on this section, right? And then what you're going to do is click on it once again, and it's going to show you the content. So here is our image. Once you click on the image here on the left, you're going to click on Add Image. Go ahead and choose an image. If you don't have any, go ahead and upload it directly from your desktop. Once you've uploaded it, go ahead and click on it, make sure it's blue, and then click on Done. Okay, quick second later, you can see the image right here on the right. You can go ahead and adjust the words that describe the image, and then you're not quite done until you click on Publish here on the top. Okay, now it's updated. So anybody who lands on this page is going to be able to see this image or photo here on my Weebly website. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an image or a photo into your Weebly website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.